Beau-tees and Cue-tees. Hey, cuties and beauties. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Monty's Life Featuring Beauty, and I told y'all I'd be back. You know, I gotta put the little neck in it, the neck in it. I told y'all I'd be back, and I told y'all I look the same. And yes, to this title, yes, we gonna have a little bit of attitude up in this video here, because Boxycharm had a little bit of drama for the month of March. Some people didn't get their boxes, which sometimes when I do read the comments on Instagram, that seems to be the case a lot of times. I think a lot of times people be stealing their boxes because they know how good Boxycharm is. And then, you know, what was in this box, some people got the wrong color, but that's why we're going to see. Did Boxycharm do me right? Did they get it right for me? We're going to open it. We're going to open it. As you can see, the tape's still on there. Still on there. I don't know, maybe in the last video what I put on, maybe it's got me a little silly. And no, I ain't had no little sippy, I ain't do nothing. I was just sitting here, you know, preparing myself for this video. Okay, got the tape on. Says hello, Charmer. I already know what's in here. Sometimes I be looking at the spoilers. I'm not trying to look at the spoilers for April, because sometimes I be this close to canceling, and then I be seeing like maybe one spoiler, and I be like, oh, I need that. So I just keep it. But this month, I'm sure you guys have seen so many Boxycharm openings, but you haven't seen mine. So here we go. It's the La Vie en Rose collection this month. So everything is rose gold or rosy colored or rose essence or whatever. So this is what we're gonna do. They better be glad that the packaging is not what I want. It's the inside. Look at that. Look at that. Let's check the brushes, make sure they made it. Did the brushes make it up? Yes, they did. So that's going in the trash. Well, not the trash, the recycling bin. Yes, we recycle at Monty's Life Featuring Beauty household. Yes, we do. Okay, we got two beautiful rose gold blushes. Rose gold brushes from... Oh, damn. Sorry, y'all. Hold on. Sorry about that, beauties and cuties. So sorry about that. Okay. I was trying to show y'all the brushes before my tripod gave out on me. Time for me to order a new one. Ain't it? Ooh. Ooh. What is this? Mana Kadar Beauty. Ooh, mascara. Ooh, that is so pretty. Oh, but like I said, I think I'm allergic to mascara. I don't know. Or maybe I haven't found one. But, okay. Here's the peel-off mask. It is, oh, safety sealed. I just want to smell it. If I can get this out. Oh, it smells citrusy. Ooh, very nice, very nice. Another mask. My skin probably gonna fall off all this stuff I'm probably gonna put on my skin. Ooh, it's a very beautiful Ofra long-lasting lipstick in the shade Monaco. We're gonna try this on right now. Ooh, it smells like cake batter. And I don't mind a metallic lipstick. I love metallic lipsticks. Okay. We got a little cute today. Okay. Oh, that smells delicious. Now this last product in the Boxycharm March box. This was the cause of the drama. The Cover FX Perfector Face Palette. Now, the problem with this was, if you ain't know, I'm gonna let you know. Excuse me. Like, deeper skin tone people received the fair palette or the light palette, And fair people received the medium to dark palette. Now, the thing that I feel what happened is they didn't fill out the quiz on Boxycharm. And I was so glad when I found out this came in 2 shades, I hurried up and filled out that quiz to let them know that I am a medium to tan skin tone. So I needed the deeper palette. So, and I even received an email because this Boxycharm was super late. I mean, I usually get them like maybe between the 10th and the 15th, but I did get an email stating that they were trying to correct the problem and make sure I got the right palette. So I thank you, Boxycharm, for that. So we gonna open this up. Ooh, yeah, I know it has a full-size mirror. I'm glad that that is like frosted over. And yes, I did get the deeper skin tone palette. All right. Well, okay. We're going to put these little brushes into use. Do-do-do. Do-do-do. Oh. Well, you know, as with every brush, there's a few stray hairs. I'm looking for any flyaways or escapees. Nope, no bristles came off. It's super soft. We just gonna try a little bit of the blushy blush, which is down here. Well, let me show you it again. Yep, there it is. There it is. In all of it looks like desert sand dunes, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I just want to try the blush right quick. So it did pick it up. And yes, that's how I apply blush. I don't know. It's because of my. I feel like I have an oval face with. Y'all see the chipmunk cheeks? Y'all see the chipmunk cheeks? Thanks, Mom. No, but oh damn, it is not worth it for me to do this video. This tripod is pissing me off. But we're gonna do handheld. Sorry, my fingers in the camera, but that tripod gotta go. We're going to dip into this blush and just get this up. Now, this is how I do my blush. I always come to, you know, the parts of my high cheekbones, and then I'll hit up the apple. That's how I do it. So, I've been practicing that for years. Like, usually, when I was younger, I just go on the apples of the cheeks and end up looking like, y'all know, looking like how it want to look. But, sorry for all the movement. But that's how I apply blush. So, I think this is going to work out good. Okay, and I could even see, like, using it for eyeshadow as well. So, let me see if I can edit this up a little bit. And you know, I'll get back to you, beauties and cuties. This tripod thing, I'm going to figure it out. Because it's not like I can, you know, run out right now and go get a new one, but that just pissed me off. Alright, but hey, like I always say, life happens. So, y'all know I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, love you guys.